Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have some bags I wanted to share with you. So let's get started. So let's go to where I went to Marshall's first. I have been seeing these little bags on Facebook, and I thought they were super cute. I didn't know how small they were, but I thought they were super cute. But I never did pull a trigger on it. But I saw this in Marshall's, and they do have some of these in Bell's, but this one was actually marked down several times till it got to $29, which I was happy about, because I think originally they were like $49 or $59. Let me see if I can pull it up. No, it's not gonna let me do it. Well, let's see. Yeah, 59. And so they kept marking it down till it came down to 29. And this is the name of it. I think it's really cute. Let's see what is on the inside. Oh, we got another white strap. Very cute. And I love this color. I love the red. This is what it looks like on the side. We got nice little detailing on the zipper pull. Super cute. We even got feet. It's tiny though. We got some detailing on the little studs here. And then on the inside, you got a slip pocket on this side. And then we got a little zipper pocket back here. All right. And this is all kind of silky cloth material. I like that. So you'll be able to wipe it out. But it's going to be very limited what you can put in here. So, but I thought I would share that. I think it's really, really cute. Oh, and we got 2 zippers. So I like that too. All right, so that's the first thing. The second thing, I kept trying to put this back down, but I thought it was super cute. It is so small. Well, it's about as small as this one, but for some reason, this looked smaller to me than this one. I kept kind of trying to put it back because of the size. And I don't know what I would wear it with, but it's so cute. And I don't think it's trying to do that, but to me, it reminds me of the Dior purse. Again, it's not totally like that, but it puts me in the mind of it. I think it's really, really cute. Like the little Lady Dior. I do like that it has a little pocket back here, and it looks big enough for you to put your phone in. And this was $99, but I got it for $39. I thought it was really, really cute. And that is the name of it. All right, so let's see. So you got a little organization here. You got 3 little card slots here. And then you got a couple of card slots there. You got the nameplate here. And then you got a little pocket. And it has a little envelope. Well, it's not. But that's cute. Oh, let's see. It's got a little message. How cute is that? If you're a journaler, like especially a junk journaler, that would be really cute to put in there. All right, so that is that, and I really like that. So let's see, the straps are detachable and adjustable. All right, so that is what I got from TJ Maxx. And then I saw this. I thought that this looks just like the Coach Brooklyn, and I want to say this is about the same size as the 21, I think. I did have one, but I took it back because it kept falling off my shoulder. I tried this in store. I walked around with it. It stayed on my shoulder. This is suede. This isn't that fake stuff. Let's see. Genuine suede bag. And I looked up on getting it at a good price, $38. And it looks just like the Coach Brooklyn. We got a little feet though. I don't think the Brooklyn comes with feet. And usually there's a little hook. Well, we don't have that. But this one has a little pocket on the back where you could put your phone. Now this, I didn't even notice that at first. I didn't even notice that till now. So, I don't know what that's supposed to do. Okay. I don't know if something broke off of that. It's supposed to, well, it looked like there was something there, wasn't it? I don't know. I don't know what that is. But anyway, it'll just go in there. Maybe that's why it was marked down. I didn't even notice that at first until just now. So we do have, it's a magnetic closure. And it has, it's kind of dark in here. So you got, it's got the same color in here, but this is kind of like a, I don't know, just a regular fabric. At first I thought it was silky, like the kind that's easy to wipe off, but I don't think so. So we got two little pockets up front. And then we got a zippered pocket back here. And then, you know, it's a nice size little cavity there. We had a little tag. I think it's cute. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And I'm happy with the price. And I don't need it to mimic Coach, but I do like that style. So I'm happy with that. Okay, so we got that, we got this, and that. And that is what I had to share with you guys. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.